As your browser look like this, a million tabs open, some from 1999, some emotional support tabs, and some that you'll never get back to. But instead of using your mouse to navigate through everything that you do within a browser, let's look at some keyboard shortcuts that will help you get things done much faster. I'm on a Mac right now. The only thing you'll have to remember is if you're on Windows is that whenever I say command and some other key, it's control and some other key on your Windows. And that's true for the most part with a few exceptions here and there. You can also find these shortcuts by going to the menu bar up here. Let's say you go here. So always show bookmarks bar is Shift, Command B. So the up arrow is Shift. This design is the command button. And this up caret is the control button. And this right is the tab button. This is the option button. So this is option, command B, and this is control and the function button and F. If you ever forget something, it's super easy just to go here and have a refresher. You can use Command Shift A, and that will be Control Shift A on Windows. So on Mac, it's Command Shift A. Let's say I want to search something for Apple. Yes, I can use my keyboard up and down to go between open tabs and the closed tabs. So you can do that and switch to the tab that you're looking for. So that would be Command Shift A again. So let me go back to the MacBook Pro page, hit enter. Use Command T to open a new tab. Now you're already in here. If you see the URL bar is highlighted. If you're not, use Command L to go to the URL bar and type at bookmarks. So you don't have to type the entire word. You just have to type part of it. You see bookmarks as the second option. So come down and you don't even have to hit enter again. So it says enter a word or two. So one of my bookmarks is Neo. All right, here I see this. Hit down again because this is where you see the highlight is, and you need to come here. So hit down again and put Neo. So you get to here. Now let's try the other options here. Command T to open a new tab at history. So of all the things that I've visited, let's say I want to go to some Wikipedia page. Okay, so Wikipedia YouTube page. So this is from the history. So I'm hitting that and I am able to open this one here. Other one would be, again, it's like Command Shift A, but this time let's search between the open tabs. So Command T to open a new tab. And this time I'll type at tabs. Now, this searches within the open tabs that I have. So let's say, what do we want to find? Let's just say new. So it's already open here. So I'm just going to hit enter and it switches to that tab. It doesn't open a new tab. It switches to that tab. For the purpose of this demo, I have a ton of empty tabs open. So let's go to the first tab with command 1, second tab to command 2, and fifth tab with command 5, eighth tab with command 8, but the ninth tab will not be command 9. The last tab is command 9. So see that 1, 2, 3, and command 9 is the last tab. Now, how do I close all the tabs? The second tab seems empty, so I'm just going to go there and do a command W, command W, command W. I'm just going to keep repeating it until the list gets much smaller to what we need. You know how 9 was the ninth tab? It works now, even though there are like just 8 tabs. So command 9 is the ninth tab. Let's say I want to go from here to apple.com. So I'm just going to hit command L, apple.com. You don't even have to type all the time. Once it highlights, you just hit enter, and there you go. Now, if I want to open all the links from within here, I can just hit command and click, command and click, command and click, command and click. To go to the next tab, it's control tab, control tab, control tab. Come back to the previous ones, it's control shift tab, control shift tab, control shift tab. Again, on Windows, it's still control shift tab. On Mac, just to remind you, there is a control button and a command button. So these ones are the control ones. If I want a link to be open in a new window, it's shift and a click. So that opens a whole new window. If I don't want this, I'll do command and W. And if I want to open a new link and switch to it immediately, go to the link and do command shift click. and I'm switched to it. If I don't want to be switched to it, I'll just do Command and click and it opens in the background. So that's the main difference. Now that I'm here, I need to find something on the page. So I'll use a Command F. Uh, where are the buy buttons? Okay, there are four buy buttons. Hit enter will take me to the second one, third one. Yes, this is what I want to buy. So I'm able to find it. So you just have to do a Command F, type whatever you want, hit enter to go through multiple occurrences. And if you want to close that, hit escape and it closes. Now, if I want to reload the page, I will do a Command R, which will reload the page, and Command Shift R in the rare occurrence that it doesn't reload properly. So Command Shift R is like a super clean reload. Let's say I want to go to Apple TV 4K, but by mistake I click this. Oops, how do I go back? It's Command and the back button. Now I have a change of mind. I saw something interesting on the other page. Now I want to go back forward. So it's Command and right, which brings me back to the page that I was on. It's super easy to scroll with your mouse, but maybe if you don't want to, you can hit space, space, space to go down, shift space, space to go up, command and down to go all the way down, command and up to go all the way up. Say sometimes you have difficulty reading the text, you can use command and plus to zoom in. Here, if you see, you'll see the zoom levels, command and plus, command and plus. It's showing equal to here. Don't worry about that. You can just do command and plus. And now, if you want to zoom out, it's command and minus. Minus, it's minus. Let's say you're at some level of zoom and you do not know how to reset it. To reset it, it's command and 0. Now, if you want to open a new window, it's command N. Let's close that. If you want to open an incognito window, it's Command Shift N. Let's say I want to bookmark this page. That would be Command D. You can type whatever you want here. Once you're done changing, let's say this to Apple TV app, I hit enter and it's done. And you see the star here. Okay, so where did my bookmark go? That would be Command Shift B. I see all my bookmarks here. And if I don't want to see that, because sometimes you want to have just the tab bar and the URL bar, Command Shift B again to hide it. Now, if you want to bookmark all of these tabs, because it's like a research project, you want to go, you want to leave, you don't want to lose all of them, you can do Command Shift D, and you can add them all in a new folder. Just say mm, keyboard shortcuts research and hit enter. Do a Command Shift B. If you see, all the tabs are in here, and that's how easy it is. If you don't want it, just right click and delete. It's the bookmarks that are getting deleted, not your tabs. The other way of finding the bookmarks is Command Option B, which will open the Bookmarks Manager. And if you do Command F, here you can search them. Just the way you open bookmarks, if you want to open your history, it's Command Y. You can search within your history. What are my Wikipedia pages that I visited? So found so many results for so and so day. The same way, if you want to see your downloads, that would be Command Shift and J, and you'll go to your downloads history. And because I haven't downloaded anything now, I don't see any list here. So let's close back all of these things. Now let's say you want to print this page. That would be Command P. You'll get a print. You can choose the options. I'll hit Escape to close that. Let's say I want to delete my recent browsing data. That would be Command Shift Delete. You will get the delete browsing data. You can pick and choose your time. So I'm just going to pick last 15 minutes, delete. So all the browsing history, cache history, and everything is going to be deleted for the last 15 minutes. One of the easiest way to open the settings of the browser, so command and comma, you will come to the settings page. That pretty much is almost all of the useful settings. Some of the miscellaneous ones are the dev tools. I'll do command option I. For the inspect element, it's command option C. I can get in here. So these are for the developers. So if you're not one, don't worry about it. And once I'm done, if I want to close the entire browser, be aware. So let me go back to command and comma the settings. On startup, I'm continuing where I left off. Make sure you know what you have selected because when you hit Command and Q twice in quick successions, it will close. If you have created profiles, profile 1 will have its own history, bookmarks. Profile 2 will have its own history and bookmarks. Each of them are meant for a whole different purpose, and you can always toggle between them. Instead of going all the way here and then switching between all of them, the keyboard shortcut that you can use is Command Shift M, and then the profile manager will open up. So you just have to use your keyboard up and down keys to navigate. Let's say I want to go to profile 2, I hit enter. From here, Command Shift M. It doesn't show profile 2 because that's you're on that. Profile 3, you get the idea. Profile 1, and I can keep changing between them. So all of these shortcuts, or most of them, would work on almost all the browsers like Firefox, Safari, Opera, Brave. So try them out and let me know if I missed something. Thanks for watching this video.